Friends, you all know that 11th September 1893 is a historical day for the entire humanity. On that day, Swami Vivekananda delivered his epoch-making speech at the inaugural session of the World's Parliament of Religions in Chicago, USA, beginning with these immortal words, "Sisters and brothers of America." A noteworthy part of the speech is, in the last 127 years, every sentence of this short speech has been studied, researched, evaluated, and thought about by not only scholars and thinkers, but also by the common masses. Such a phenomenon is unseen in human history as far as any speech is concerned. This speech and some 11 other speeches he delivered in the Parliament of Religions has introduced humanity to a new trend of thinking, which was so long almost unknown to the modern man. It marked the beginning of a new era, such beginning being the importance of the speeches. The Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission have always strived and are still striving to carry them to the doorsteps of everyone. And while doing so, we have come across an undesirable development with regard to these speeches and their presence in social media. For the last 10 years or more, these speeches are available in numerous YouTube channels under the titles like Real Voice of Swami Vivekananda, The Original Voice of Swami Vivekananda, and Voice of Swami Vivekananda. Although it is heartening to note that millions of people have watched these YouTube videos and learned about the message of Swami Vivekananda, these videos have a negative side as well. The claim of these videos that their soundtrack has the original voice of Swami Vivekananda is far from truth. Today, 11 September 2020, on the 128th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's historic speech at the First Parliament of Religions in Chicago, we once again clarify that the claim made by these YouTube videos that the present, the original voice of Swami Vivekananda is not at all correct, absolutely untrue. In fact, there is no voice recording of Swami Vivekananda, let alone of his speeches at the World's Parliament of Religions, available to us today according to scholars. It is true that Swami Vivekananda's voice was recorded a couple of times during his lifetime, but none of these recordings have been traced so far. Further, researchers have proved that there was no arrangement for recording the speeches at the World's Parliament of Religions. The technology available at the time didn't support recordings of longer duration. So the claim made by the popular YouTube videos that they are giving real voice of Swami Vivekananda is not true. The text of the speech, however, is genuine. In these videos, the words of Swami Vivekananda are read out by someone else. Vedanta Keshari, an English journal brought out by our branch in Chennai, carried a very illuminating article on Swami Vivekananda's voice, recording in its August 2010 issue. This article by M.S. Nanjandaya presents a summary of the author's painstaking research for years on Swami Vivekananda's voice and debunks the claim of a voice recording of Swamiji's speech at the Parliament of Religions. The article is posted on the Belur Math website and the link is given below in the description section of this video. Also, Advaita Ashrama, a branch of the Ramakrishna Math, has brought out an authentic audio reproduction of the speech which is freely available on the internet. The links are also here given below. In this connection, we would as well like to bring to the notice of our devotees that many of the quotations circulated in WhatsApp in Swami Vivekananda's name are also false. Irresponsible persons randomly take quotations from various sources and put Swami Vivekananda's name below it and then circulate them through WhatsApp. Often they put Swami Vivekananda's photo to make it look credible. Most people who receive such messages and who may not have read Swami Vivekananda's works take those messages to be true. They then forward it to their known people. In this way, misinformation about Swami Vivekananda's teachings is spread in the social media platforms which goes on endlessly and unchecked. The damage that it brings about is difficult to repair. We therefore request our devotees to be extremely thoughtful before they accept a particular quote circulated in the name of Swami Vivekananda to be authentic. If they suspect its authenticity, they should refrain from forwarding it to others. In this age of social media, if the right information is powerful to bring about positive changes, misinformation or disinformation is equally powerful to cause damage to the social fabric. Therefore, let all of us be cautious about the different kinds of misinformation being spread in the social media in the name of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda had once said, quoted, "My words are spirit and life. They will burn their way into your brain and you will never get away from them." Unquote. May Swami Vivekananda's life-giving words guide us all in the direction of bringing peace and well-being to the entire human race is our humble prayer. Thank you so very much.